Hello, let us see the difference between binary logic and fuzzy logic. An element can belong to a set A or not A. So either this or not this. It is crisp and clear cut. But the binary phase has always faced doubts. It has always led to its own critical response, sort of logical as well as philosophical. So let us see the philosophy of fuzzy logic. So what you can see towards the right side is the color black. Towards the left you have the white color. So everything is crisp and clear cut, black or white. Now what you can see is a spectrum of colors between white and black. So consider a strip. This strip is a combination of black as well as white. So it has some element from the black color and something from the white color as well. Now we can no longer clearly say that this is black or this is white. Now this is gray, a combination of black and white. Now what you can see here is set A, which is an apple. The reverse of A is not A, which is no apple. What you see here is an apple as well as no apple because it is a half an apple. So it's a combination of A and not A. Now what you see here is a glass full. Here is an empty glass which is denoted as 0. A full glass is denoted as 1. What you see here is a full glass and an empty glass represented by half because we can represent this glass as half empty or half full. Here is the color black represented as no or 0. Here is the color white represented as yes and 1. So where is the grayness? So here is the grayness, which is a combination of black and white, also called fuzziness. So we can say fuzziness is this grayness. So what is a crisp set and fuzzy set? In a crisp set, all elements have clear-cut boundaries. For example, a set of even numbers. An element 4 will belong to a set of even numbers, but an element 5 will never belong to the set of even numbers. In a fuzzy set, an element in a universe that contains fuzzy sets, this transition is gradual or slow. This transition among various degrees of membership can be thought of as conforming to the fact that the boundaries of a fuzzy set are vague or ambiguous. Crisp set A and B consisting of some collection of elements in X. Following notation is defined. An element X belongs to this X element belongs to the set A or X does not belong to A. Here A is a subset of B, so A is fully contained in or is equivalent to B. A null set phi is a set containing no elements, and whole set X where a set of all elements in the universe are present. Here are a few classical set operations: union of two sets, intersection, complement, difference. Why fuzzy sets are different from crisp sets? Two special properties of fuzzy set operations are excluded middle laws and laws of contradiction. So what is a membership function? Membership function is a mathematical function which maps an input to an output using fuzzy logic. All information contained in a fuzzy set is described by its membership function. A membership function allows assigning a level of membership for any variable x to the fuzzy set. There are many types of membership functions. Gaussian, where the flow in the dataset is gradual, increasing, decreasing. Trapezoidal, triangular, and the strict clear-cut increase and then decrease. We also have a Gaussian membership function. Membership functions are subjective measures and not necessarily probabilistic functions. What you see here on the x-axis is the height of individuals. On the y-axis, you can see the membership grades. So, given a height, we are trying to identify the membership grades. The meaning of the word tall may be different for a country of India and may be different for a person living in the US, because people in the US are much taller than the people of India. Same with Africa. So the same meaning of tall may have varying meaning in different countries. Have a look at this. The x-axis represents the child's age in months, and on the y-axis it represents whether the child is alive. In a CRISP set, when the child is born after 9 months, he is considered as alive. So it's a steep rise and full membership grade 1 in the fuzzy set live. This is with a CRISP set. Now have a look at a fuzzy set. When the child is in the mother's womb, starting for the month 0 till 9 months, the child is considered as alive, and his membership grade becomes full or 1 once the child is born after 9 months. So, which set could be a real representation? Obviously, the fuzzy set. Fuzzy sets can be used for fuzzy information. This figure shows you a figure where x-axis represents the age of a person and y-axis represents the membership grades. Membership grades are any values between 0 and 1. So consider age of 30 years. This age can be considered as young as well as middle-aged, so it lies in both. To know the membership grade, just have a look at this point and its mapping on the y-axis. In this case, it maps to 0.5. So, for a person with age 30, his membership grade in a fuzzy set young is 0.5. Similarly, it also has a value in the fuzzy set middle-aged. To know the membership grade, have a look at this. So, a person's membership grade in the fuzzy set middle-aged is again 0.5. Have a look at the age of 60 years. For this age can belong to again two fuzzy sets, middle-aged as well as old. As informed, we have membership function formulations in the form of triangular membership, trapezoidal membership function, Gaussian membership function, and generalized Bell membership function. Now let us have a look at the elements of a membership function. Any membership function can be divided into three parts. The core, all elements whose membership grade is full or 1 is considered as the core of a fuzzy set or a membership function. Support, any value which is greater than 0 is the support, and boundary is any value which lies between 0 and 1. So core are all the elements whose membership grade, mu is membership grade of fuzzy set A. A is a fuzzy set represented by a tilde below, or it could be at the top. So all the elements whose membership grade is 1 forms the core. Support, all elements whose membership grades are greater than 0 forms the support. All elements whose membership grades lie between 0 and 1 form the boundary. What is a normal fuzzy set? A fuzzy set whose at least one element has full membership grade of 1 is called a normal fuzzy set. What is a subnormal fuzzy set? A fuzzy set who does not have a single element with full membership grade of 1 is called a subnormal fuzzy set. What is a convex fuzzy set? A fuzzy set whose membership values are strictly monotonically increasing or strictly monotonically decreasing or increasing then decreasing is a convex fuzzy set. This shows the intersection of convex fuzzy set is also a convex fuzzy set. The height of a fuzzy set is the maximum value of its membership function. This represents the level of information credibility. The crossover point is defined as the points in the universe that have membership value 0.5 or half of the maximum value of 1. Thank you. To know more further about fuzzy logic, have a look at the subsequent videos.